Guys, so basically I'm trying a game called Don't Press the Button number 4. I tried Don't Press the Button last video and I kind of liked it, so I want to try the other ones. So what better yet to start from number 4? Oh no, I'm a banana! I'm a banana, I'm a banana, I'm a banana. Look at me! What's next? Yellow, because the bananas have never failed. That's right, bananas forever. I'm sticking with yellow, guys. Bananas haven't betrayed me yet. I think I'm gonna go with purple this time. Oh yeah, if you guys saw that, it means you guys saw the pattern. Reach the top of what? Okay, almost there. Just no. And you know what? Just let him do it. It's not that bad. And I died. Just kidding, I didn't die. Dang it. Finish. Get to the finish line. What is with the hair dryer? What did I do? Oh, easy. By being honest, too easy. Dang it. Going again. Hope I can make it. Now let's go. Man, whoever made this game is a genius. I love it. And died. Still, I still think he's a genius. And I'd love to meet him, whoever you are. If you watch my videos, or whoever watches my videos now, I'd be very grateful. Thank you all so much. You've helped me so much. If in the future I'm a pretty good YouTuber. Right now, I'm doing terrible, man. I mean, most YouTubers are like, everything's gonna get better, or like I want to see without the future. But I suck right now, and I'm okay with that because I like this. If I had all the fame and everything, what's the point of making videos? Most people would like me. I would love to grab one of the, oh. What's up? Yeah, so in the future, if I'm a pretty good YouTuber, I hope you guys try to make your own YouTube channel. Because in my YouTube channel, I try new games and try my hardest in them. And I'm stuck in a wall. So after, yeah, this is going to be fun. And I know it will be. Hello? Okay. I am good. Thanks, buddy. Come on, guys. We gotta go. No! Yeah. Bring it on, wave. Wait. Oh wait, I am a winner, so why is the wave still coming? Bring it. Oh. Never mind. Really? Man, I hate some of these guys. Coffee. Jetpack? Magic carpet? So dark. That's better. La la la. Okay, yeah. So basically, this is what we're gonna be, and we're done. I'm gonna do 3 more, and I think that's it. No, 5 more. Yeah. What is with that guy and that thing? I just want to play a game. Who is this? Who is that guy? Who is that heartbreaker anyway? I almost made it. Oh well. Jump, spinning thing. And it died. Too bad though. I was really good at it the last time, remember? Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to record. Never mind. Sorry, guys. Okay, 4 more to go. 4 more rounds before this video is done. Sorry. What's happening? Oh, come on, dude. You can do this. I believe. Believe. This thing is easy. What the heck is wrong with that guy? I did nothing. No. Ah, dang it. Oh, no, they didn't. They just messed with the wrong guy. Dang it, whoever does that knows how to rock. Dang, can we duck below? No. Okay, I think I'm gonna do 1 more to end the video. Cause this is hard. Okay, come on, Rockets. I just want to get in the game again. I'm resetting. Reset character. Yes. Dang it, didn't put me back. Hi, Jump. Hi, Jump. Hey, it's taller me without sunglasses. You are a disgrace to the Qatar family. Hi, Jump. Hi, Jump. Dinos. We are dinosaurs. Back. Back, I say. I liked being a dino. Last one. But I jumped. I did it. I don't get it. What? But yeah. Life's hard. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. So, peace out. Bounce from the FGTvers. And bye.